Today we are a little bit afraid how it turned out. We are already very colorful with our tattoos, and now we have vibrant colors, the yellow and the pink. Hi! Hello! My name is Alena. My name is Aline. And together we are the Petunia twins. So today we want to change our hair color. I love pink. I love yellow. So let's combine both colors. Yellow and pink. Yay! Our look is a big part because we moved almost 3 years ago from Germany, from a very small town to LA, and opened up our own tattoo business. So we are tattoo artists. So growing up, I think we changed our hair color the first time with 16. Before we had our always nature hair. We had orange, we had blue, pink, red one time, a long time. So we wanted this look because we have always colorful hair, and now it's like time again for a new color. We are open enough and excited and ready for color.
Hi, my name is Jordan Alexander. I am the Director of Global Education for K18 Hair and also a freelance colorist based in beautiful sunny Los Angeles, California.
Hi, I'm Bea. I'm also a freelance colorist and an educator for K18 Hair. So we specialize in vivids.
We also specialize in platinum blondes.
We've been doing half heads together for about 2 years, and it's been really fun to do color with my life partner.
Hi guys, how's it going?
Hello!
So what are we gonna do today?
Something crazy. Yellow and pink.
You guys ready?
Yeah! I go first.
Okay, Aline, let's do it. Today on the Petunia twins, Aline and Alena, we are going to be doing a half and half look. First, we are going to gently mist the hair with water. And after that, we're gonna spray the hair with the K18 mist. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna prep the hair to make the hair strong enough to withstand the lightening process. Because above all else, what we care about the most is the integrity of our client's hair. Because at the end of the day, if the hair doesn't look good, it doesn't matter what color it is. So integrity is always key. We're actually going to repeat the exact same steps on both Aline and Alena, reversing the colors. We're then going to lighten their roots with 20 volume. Should take about 40-45 minutes. Once that's done, we're going to rinse and shampoo that out of the hair and follow with the K18 mask. What that mask is gonna do, it's gonna repair any damage that may have occurred during that lightening process, and it's also going to prep the hair for our color application. When we are applying the color, we have to be extremely careful. Doing a half and half, it's not as easy as it looks because you have to be extremely precise, not only when sectioning the hair, but when applying the color as well. We will be very, very focused on not letting each side touch one another, not only when we are applying the color, but in the sink as well. Because if we let any light portions of the hair into the sink as we're rinsing the darker side, we'll basically have reset our work and we'll have muddied up the other side. Being as careful as possible is key. Now we'll move on to Alena. The only difference is we're actually going to be reversing the colors.
We love the same, we do the same. That's the reason that we have 2 colors on each side. Yeah, and the bright colors because we want to stand up. And yeah, we love color. Color makes us happy, and especially the bright colors.
From there, we'll let the color sit and process for about 20 minutes. We'll then rinse that out of the hair, shampoo, and then follow with the K18 mask one more time. And then they're going to go see my beautiful girlfriend for a wonderful blowout.
So I'm gonna take over styling from here. I'm just gonna give him some loose little waves, just to give him some texture and bend into the hair. I always spray a heat protectant and a little bit of texture spray onto their hair. They have very straight, fine hair, so just to give it a little body, a little oomph, a little texture, and then finish it off with some finishing hairspray just to hold their curls for as long as they can. And now time for the big reveal.
Are you ready to see your hair?
You guys excited?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it.
Can't wait. The best. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah! Thank you so much. Love it, love it. We love our new hair color. It's amazing. Now I have the feeling it's complete. Our whole look. I love it. Yeah, it feels like a big change because we used to have just blonde or gray for a long time, and now I think it's more eye-catcher. Especially the yellow. Yeah. It's like so bright like the sun.
Seeing their reaction in the mirror was awesome.
Priceless, so cute, they were so excited. That makes us really happy as artists, especially to see our friends happy. Working with the twins is honestly such a pleasure. They are so sweet and so kind and so beautiful.
We truly admire them both as friends and fellow artists as well.
So we try to keep our hair color as long as we can. Yeah.
To keep your colors fresh and vibrant for the longest time possible, use cold water when you're taking a shower and try to shampoo only once, maybe twice a week at the most.
If you are going to use any type of thermal or heat tools, you want to use on the lowest setting possible.
To work with our hairdresser, Jordan B, always fun, amazing artist. I love to look to Aline because she looks really cool. I love the style, the color, and yeah, I hope I look the same. Yeah, the same. I can't stop to look at her because I love the colors, I love the look in total. It's amazing.
When it comes to how often someone should color their hair, it really comes down to not only personal preference, but the hair itself. You know, obviously we specialize in a lot of bleach and tones, fashion colors, things like that, where it's super, super important and super, super integral that someone is coming back every 4 to 6 weeks, because once you go beyond that point, that super easy root application then turns into a color correction. We basically tailor make every single color for the individual client, and we really think that it fit both of them super, super well.
The yellow glows in the black light, so I'm super excited to see this. I never had this before. Now I have the feeling it's complete, our whole look. I can't wait to go out and yeah, show other people our new look. Of course, it increased our confidence more. We are so happy with the yellow and the pink. It's amazing. Thank you for watching Refinery29. Yay! To watch more videos, click here, subscribe here.